So I'm about to wash my hair. It's not that dirty, but you know, I bought a new product. So I'm about to wash my hair. It's not that dirty, but you know, I bought a new product and I'm so excited to try it. This I've been seeing all about the place. TikTok, Instagram, all of it. And supposedly working my type of people here. So I am going to go wash my hair just because I want to be bougie. And we're gonna show you guys how it goes. Alright, so out the shower, natural hair popping. I don't use much heat in my hair, to be honest, so I'm using a heat protecting serum. I don't know how much I'm supposed to use, but I'm just gonna rub it through my hair. No, my husband and my kids in the background, they're just loud per usual. So.
Mama, did I shower?
Oh my goodness.
Nobody showers.
So, it's not our business.
Did shower?
So, just
Mom! Mommy!
Move, man. Get in the shower.
heat protectant activated. And this scratch feels good. Woo!
Mommy, did I shower?
Didn't I just wash my hair?
Can I beg you for something? Yeah? Can I beg you for something?
Alright, so heat protectant in. There's three. Yeah, there's three. What is it? Settings: cool, high, and low. So that's high. And that's off. Is it loud? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna section my hair because I just like doing it that way. It's easier for me. It makes me feel like I've accomplished a lot, even if I haven't. And since I plan on straightening my hair, I'm going to grease my scalp, wipe on my scalp tomorrow to give, just to allow my hair to get straight, and then, you know, kind of make it a little bit beautiful. So, sectioning my hair. I am looking, as you can see, Mama is heavily pregnant. So, I've been looking for ways to not touch my hair. My birthday's coming up in like a month and a half. So I'm holding off on getting those braids done that I love to do. And I'm just gonna rock with my hair for at least one more month and then get to braids. But got my clip together, my brush, and we're gonna do it. So I'm just gonna do about one piece on camera and just periodically check in with you guys, right? So, do I even need a brush? I already have a brush. Ta-da! So let's start with low. Okay, so this was low, and as you can see, it came out pretty straight. Here's bumped because you guys saw me rolling and rolling. Don't ask me why I was rolling, but y'all saw I was rolling. But dry and relatively straight. All right, I'll check my hair. First reaction. Damn. Like, not expecting that. It's pretty straight. I could see there's the first step. Obviously, if you want straight hair, you go over it with the iron after, but I may not even do that. I may just keep it as is. And I'm done. Only took me, I was very distracted. Oh God, now I went to braid my hair and it got me. So, just to blow that out. But, only took me about 40 minutes. That's because I was very distracted. I was calling everybody and saying, oh my God, look at this new dryer I got. And very distracted. So, will you let me do your hair?
No, I am.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Okay, bye.
No, I am.
So, yeah, it was very, very nice. As you can see, I got my hair done pretty straight. So for my thing is, if you want like a super straight style, like fresh blowout type of thing, yeah, get this done and then, you know, go back over it with an iron. What would have normally taken me an hour to do took me about, like I said, 40 minutes. So that was pretty dope. So yeah, and it's not that expensive. Oh, I forgot to mention that. Paid $45 from Walmart. I think Target have it for like $30-something, even cheaper. I don't even have a Target around me. So yeah, get it. Let me just straighten out back the ends of here. And yeah. And done. I can get wet. Yeah. So look at this. Look at the roots. Very straight. Very straight. Which was pretty dope. I don't know what the back looks like. Y'all want to tell me. But great product. Try it if you haven't.